How to block ads on Twitch. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can block ads on Twitch. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, before we try to get on to the process of blocking ads on Twitch, there's one thing that I want you to understand. The creators on Twitch or any of the other social media platforms actually works very hard to create these contents. And you blocking these ads is basically that you're cutting off their revenue in general. Even if you're not donating to the streamer, you watching a specific ad from their video means they're going to get a certain percentage of income from the ad that you're currently watching. And if you block these ads, the streamer is not going to get anything in return. So if you think that it is one of the ways to contribute to the streamers, then I would just recommend you not to go ahead and block ads. Nevertheless, if you really think that the ads are really annoying sometimes and then you want to get on to blocking it, it's also very simple to do so. Now, this process depends upon whether you're using the application or the browser, because on browser it's very simple. You just basically install an extension. So as you can see from the top right, I've installed an ad block extension. The way to install this extension is very simple. Just head over to your Chrome Web Store if you're viewing from your browser. Once you go to Chrome Web Store, in the search box just search for ad block, right? Once you go ahead and search for ad block, many of the ad block extension is actually going to get popped up on the list. The one I currently have installed is this one over here. Make sure to click on add to Chrome option and this will get added, and automatically all the ads aside from Twitch, other platforms of it are also going to block ads automatically. Sometimes you have the application installed. Let's say that you're using Twitch from your Android phone, you have to install an ad blocker app for your Android. If you're doing it from your PC app, you have to install it from your PC app itself. I'm doing it from my browser, so I'm doing it via the extension. But as a way to support the creators, I would just recommend you not to block those ads, as that is how you support the channel or the streamer that you're currently watching. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.